On today's episode, we are exploring the Euro District Car Show. Going to take some pictures and see what we can come out with all of these beautiful cars. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Okay guys, we got over here underneath the river bridge, or the start of it. The river is right over there and we are in a sea of beautiful cars. We're gonna go around, show you guys a little bit of how I get pictures at these types of events, what I look for. This is a beautiful venue, so we should be able to get some cool stuff today. Even just right off the bat, looking over here, and you can see some bugs. All that, as you can tell with all the European cars, a lot of them are quite low. Let's see what we can get back here looking down this row. See if we can pick out a car down through here. Maybe. They're routing all of them in. I love this bridge. Love to have it in the background of something. So we'll just have to see what we can use it, how we can use it. Ooh, got the other bridge over there. This would be cool. Ooh, that looks... cars. Kind of going through and looking at what cars stand out to me and just seeing where the lighting is. I like looking for the lighting, seeing where all they stand out, and getting the crowd is also kind of important. Go down this row, see if any of the cars stand out. It's a lot of harsh lighting over here, so we're gonna have to do a little bit differently. There's gonna be a big contrast between the shadows and the highlights. Makes it a little more difficult when we're trying to take pictures, but it's okay. We can make something happen. Definitely some cool backgrounds with this wall here. We get over here where the light's on it a little more. They started playing music a little bit loud, so I decided to make my way towards the entrance where the cars were coming in and get some shots from out there. Long story short, we had to move the truck because apparently the parking lot, they did not have permission that they thought they did to park in for spectators, so we got a new parking spot. Anyway, let's get some more pictures. I love this Beamer over here. 2002. These are beautiful cars. I'd love to have one day. And then obviously the Porsche. Got a lot of bikers down here. I don't know what's going on with that. Let's go back into the show a little bit where there's music and I gotta do more voiceover stuff. Head over to the main parking lot where all of the vendors are posted up and have
a whole bunch of really cool cars parked in this area.
How's it going? His license plate. That's a lot of shadows. It's a whole lot of shadows. Let's see if I can get something over here. Put that Volkswagen in the back. Alright, let's get over here with the river. See what we can get. Ooh, that could be good. Let's see what we can do here. It's kind of cool, the matte and then this color shift over here. Kind of cool how the hot light hits it. Let's see what we got over here. I like the roof rack on this. Having fun today?
Oh yeah.
Good. We get little orange combos. Quite interesting. See what we can get here with some people. We got the kids coming through there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. A little different now. Then we go to interior stuff where I have to open that shutter up. There we go. Off that gauge cluster. That's a manual. That's cool. I'm gonna use this shrub here. If I can. Boom. There it is. I'll get the dog with that Porsche behind it. Okay. Oh, we got some more cars over here in the shade. Oh, I just got the picture. This is gonna be cool. Okay guys, I got a good idea. Got a good idea. Might need them to move that chair. I'm gonna move their chair just a little bit. Anybody know who owns this? Because I'm moving their chair. Just for a split second, I'm gonna move your chair so I can get a picture. Okay. Cool. Cool. Now I'll move your chair back where it was. I like it. I really like this M3. Let's see where the light is for that. I'll move this back here to be out of the way for that. We got some good light on it. Ooh, money. Okay. So we get a little more compression on that shot. It's a nice thing with this lens, I can go out to 100. I don't have to put the big telephoto on it to get shots like that. However, I can still come back in and get a full car shot and not have to be 3 miles away from it. So that's good. Okay guys, well thank you for joining. That's actually going to be it for the POV video today of these beautiful Euro cars. Thank you for joining. Now, there will be more photos on the website at 3gvideo.net. Link in the description as always. So go check those out right now and have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys next time.